Before today's video starts, please go down and subscribe. Okay, guys, so today I got this eBay diffuser. This one actually fits, not like all the rest of the eBay shit I got. So we're gonna stick this on the car. Obviously, this is for the base model Mustang that doesn't have the detachable rear diffuser. So you can go and buy this. It's like 140 bucks on eBay. Comes with the extra little winglets that go from underneath the exhaust around the sides. And I also just put on the wheel spacers that you can see front to back. Looks a lot better. So let's get to installing this thing. I'll put you guys on time lapse and show you. It's pretty easy. You just use some screws. It comes with some 3M tape. There's some 3M tape on the back here on 3 spots. And basically just covers over this. Basically just makes it a lot better. All right, guys. So it's a few days later. Got the 5.0 here. I got it all cleaned up. I just did a full detail on this car. But just wanted to give you guys kind of a look. This car is not gone or anything, but this is the main car of the channel. And it seems like the only car that gets all the views is that one, which kind of sucks, but you know, things happen for a reason. This is a, I guess you could say, unique kind of build. This, kind of everyone has one, but I still enjoy it, and I'm going to show you guys how this diffuser turned out. Now, it did take a lot of help, basically, from me and my helper, but I ended up putting 3 screws running up the sides of the, I forget, these are the winglets, and then I had 2 screws, one here. There's 2 right here on the bottom, 1 and 2. There's another one right here, and I'm going to put another one over there on the corner. Now, and I'll show you here, there's 2 screws that hold the winglet to the diffuser, and there's 3 running up the sides. Now, honestly, I love it. I love how this looks. It looks so aggressive. This is the #1 thing I think everyone should do for their non-performance pack, well, non-premium, not performance pack car. Should definitely go and check out this diffuser. You can't beat it for the price. I mean, just look at it. Looks fucking awesome. I was gonna go with the Street Arrow one, but that one stuck out too much, and it still showed the ugly factory rear valance, and it just sucked. But this just looks way better, especially now paired with the wheel space and everything. Just the body lines, the gaps, everything just looks so fucking bright. But that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys come back and check me out for more, especially on that car. We're going to get this thing tuned to get it done. It's just New Jersey weather, as you can hear it in the background. Doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. But, yeah. Love it. Love how this turned out. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and check you guys out on the next one.